But you need to give yourself a break from social media. We don't need to be scrolling, mindlessly scrolling. We've got to stop that. Plus of all, you're going to get a callus on your finger and you're going to get a stiff neck. You got to stop it. I'm serious. There's no reason to be on social media all the time. It doesn't need to be on your phone. If you can't stop, you need to get it off your phone. You need to dumb your phone down, which you can dumb your phone down. How do you dumb your phone down? Take everything off of it. Just use it for texting and calling. And, so when I did that, that meant I had a set, I could not get on to it during the day. I would get on, um, I could access it through my laptop. And so I had a specified time, like after dinner, before bedtime, where I'd have a little bit of time where I could do